Your Excellency, former Soviet President Mikhail Gorbachev, Honorable former Mayor of Rome Walter Veltroni, Chair of the World Summit of Nobel Laureates, Honorable Chicago Mayor Rahm Emanuel, Honorary Chair, distinguished Nobel laureates, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to send greetings to everyone at this summit. Your theme, Speak Up, Speak Out for Freedom and Rights, is a call to action. I have learned from experience that speaking out for human rights invites harsh criticism. Some rights defenders are even killed for daring to insist on truth. Many of you have risked your lives for human rights. You know that it is not easy to speak out for freedom and rights, but it is necessary. It gives hope to people living in fear. The United Nations defends the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. There are no exceptions to its powerful opening words that all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. This is my motto as a Secretary General. Equal treatment for all people, no hesitations and no excuses ever. Since the dawn of the Arab Spring, I have been telling leaders, listen to your people's calls for freedom and democracy. Supporting countries in transition is one of 5 imperatives in my action agenda for the coming years. The United Nations will also focus on sustainable development, prevention, building a safer world, and empowering women and young people. The yearning to be free is as human as the thirst for water. We are all driven to fight for our rights. But we must do more. We must fight for the rights of others. We must protect every individual, regardless of their gender, race, religion, sexual orientation, or any other status. Let us send a loud message to all those who suffer from abuse and oppression that we stand together with them for rights and freedom. Thank you.